Hey guys, what's up? It's me Shuvangi and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I am going to show you or give you a room tour and tell you how I transformed. So, move on to the video. There you are. Come on in. So, this is what my room looks like. There's the bed, windows, the desk. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, now it is. The TV, my ring light, and okay. So there are a lot of aspects in this room. So I'll first start with the closet. Even though it's really messy, it's very messy. So this is the whole view of the closet. So in the top drawer, in the top shelf, there are the hoodies, winter wear, jackets, everything. In the middle layer or middle shelf, there is t-shirts, pajamas, and daily wear and stuff. And in the closet or in the rack, there are outerwear, my uniform. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. There are jackets, a lot of them. I bought it for a debating workshop that I had. We were told to wear formal attire, so I had to buy this. Then there's a jean jacket, jumpsuit, and t-shirts, my uniform, school uniform, new school uniform, ethnic wear, and at first I tried to organize all my clothes in a rainbow, not really rainbow, in a color coordinated manner from white to yellow to this and that, then proceeding to other colors, orange, pink, green, blue, violet, and the jeans would be here. But it's all messed up right now and I'm too lazy to actually organize all of this. I'll have to take a lot of time out to do so. Then there comes a plant, a recently bought plant. Anyways, this is my best place in this room, my bookshelf. It has so many books. The last time I counted, there were 63, and I recently bought 2 more books. I think it would count up to 65. So in the top shelf there is YA fiction, mystery, Agatha Christie, as you can see, classic, To Kill a Mockingbird, and Dan Brown. I haven't read any books by Dan Brown because it seems a lot complicated for me, really. I can't gander what the words are and anything. I'll always have to take the help of a dictionary, so I just keep it for later. No, not my cup of tea. Then comes my favorite series of all time, Goosebumps. This is something that I cherished reading because, first of all, as you can see, these are really thin books. You may finish it in a week or even less, which I loved about it. And second, it's really simple to understand and really suspenseful. Like, there are a lot of plot twists in a story. My favorite would be, out of this one, is this, hands down, this, The Nightmare on Clown Street. It's never too old to read this, even though it's age group is like reading ages 12 and 11, like preteen, but you are never too old for this books. Do surely give it a try. Goosebump, any series is damn good to try. Damn good. Then comes Harry Potter, my favorite series. Couldn't have been better. J.K. Rowling, you did a wonderful job on this one. My favorite book among the Harry Potter series would be this one, obviously. Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban, third book of the series. I can't really arrange them. Okay, done. Then, third shelf contains Famous Five, Nancy Drew, Enid Blyton, and mostly they're by Enid Blyton. Like the majority of books are of Enid Blyton over here. And then there is The Boy in Stripped Pajamas. Absolutely loved it. Cried while reading this. I cried while reading this. And Lee Child, I haven't read the Lee Child book. Will do soon as I get time. The fourth and the last one. I hope you can see that. Yeah. It contains Bengali books over here. This is what? গল্পগুচ্ছ ও সব গল্প, রহস্য সমগ্র and stuff. Then there is Dan Brown again, The Girl on the Train. Then The Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Roald Dahl, and Tintin. I have 3 copies of Tintin. The Cigars of the Pharaoh, The Red Sea Sharks, and Tintin and the Picaros. Yeah, I don't know where I had this since I was a baby. I don't know where I got these. So these curtains I got from Amazon, as you can see. We had to install new curtain hangers or rods, whatever, because the ones that were there were very old and rusty. I got this painted. It was yellow initially. Hi. Hello. So this is my bedside table. Since this side is mine, I occupy this shelf. So here is the baby plants. All of these plants in my room currently are all like recently purchased. I water it every day. How beautiful she is. Neutral. Then here comes a tray of my essentials, daily essentials, my wireless headphone, both rockers. Then my watch, which I don't wear that often. Then LED light, remote, Saragama Karwa. I have this at my desk. I use it for mainly playing songs at a full volume. My lip balm, lighter to light the candles, cream, reusable straws. Anyone? It comes in a pack of 4. I got this too on Amazon. And my journal, which I don't really keep a daily log of. I only use it for like artistic burst of energy, like if I have any idea, I'll use it. So here comes the bed. Anyone? She always sits here. She loves sleeping on the bed. Are from a local shop. Everything. Then comes the mirror. Okay, the bed sheet and the pillow cover is from Amazon. Then the mirror is from a local store. Fairy lights too are from a nearby shop. And the LEDs are from Amazon. Moving on, over the headboard there are the pictures. That's my mom, that's me and my dad, that's me, and that's me too. The bed, and there's another desk on it, or like a shelf. Both the shelves are actually made from glass, like mirrored glass, which you can see. We had a spare mirror from one of our bathroom renovations, so we decided to use it up as shelves rather than just throwing it away, which I really like the idea because it's so cool and aesthetic. I really like. And this is another plant which is right now soaking up all the sunlight it could get in a day. Then there is the room freshener and some essentials, water bottles, charging cord, which is not in a very good shape though, but still. Next comes, okay, the curtains, as I said, they are again from Amazon. Then comes the AC, my life savior. I don't know what I would be without this. The clock and cupcakes bowls, plant, my desk. Okay. This is my desk. I have had this for, I don't know, since I can remember. Like, I had this since I was 8 to 10 years old. Maybe that's it. Really, I have been having it for a lot of years. So these are some pictures that I have on my cork board. Bamboo plant, which is considered very lucky in feng shui, and candles and incense holder, pen stand, lamp which can be turned off with a switch, artificial plant. There are many plants. Another photo frame of me. Okay, like I need the light to focus it. Okay. Then there comes the chair. Okay, this is the second shelf. This has the Saregama Karwa that I was talking about. Then comes some of my art supplies. There is glass colors and oil pastels and acrylic colors. So that's it basically over here. And then inside the desk there is my pencil box, laptop, and sanitizer, and a pencil and an eraser. Nothing else. Then there's the desk, the drawer, and the desk full of books, which again is very messy. I should have showed you this. Then comes the TV and the plant and ring light, and back to square one. So I actually transformed or like redecorated my room in last year's October when I had actually gotten the opportunity and the pandemic. So I wanted it to be really aesthetic, and I literally created a Pinterest board of so many ideas that it was almost 1000 to 1500 pins in that board, and I was like indecisive of what theme to pick. But one thing I had in my mind was the main colors, which I'm going to paint my wall. That is, 3 colors will be white, 3 walls paint. This paint color has been like it was mixed accidentally. I we wanted to go for some kind of like a very bright pink, but while mixing the painter, he brought out this color which we thought would result in that, but rather than that, it resulted in a very beautiful lilac lavender sort of a color, which I really love. So I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and share this to your friends and family. And till then, stay healthy, safe,